Hey lawyers, do you want to stand out on Facebook so you can attract more leads and get more clients for your law firm? I want to show you a simple way you can do that. So we all know emojis are super effective for communicating. It's a way we communicate now. But another way that we communicate that's super effective to get people's attention is using GIFs. And the problem is if you use GIFs from sites like Giphy, there could be copyright things. There could be people who have made the GIFs, or they could belong to certain organizations. So you want to be able to use your own. The good thing is it's super easy to make your own. So I'll show you how to do it. All you do, you go to Giphy and you click up here at the top to create. Now, I did create a free account. It took about 2 minutes to do, and I found it was easier to do this. Also, I didn't have much luck, even though it was an MOV file. I didn't have much luck getting it to recognize that. So what I did was a super simple. Now it looks like it is, so you can try that. But if you don't have that, if it's not working, you can just upload your file to YouTube. Here I have one called GIF video. I'm going to get the shareable link. Go back here and pop it in this. It'll recognize that. Then you can set the duration of, see, this is my thumbs up, thumbs down here. The start time, see how it kind of right there, it takes a while, so it doesn't quite match up. You can change this duration to match up. I think this is about right. So it resets right at the right time. So you can just mess with it that way, and then you can continue to decorate. You can put your own text on here, so you can call out the people who you're trying to reach. Let's see. I can help you. And then you can move this, and you can move it wherever you want. You can put different fonts. You can even add stickers and filters. So one of the biggest things on Facebook is you need to stand out. That pattern interrupt is so important. So this is a really good way to do it. And then you just continue to upload. I didn't add any of this stuff. Upload to Giphy. And it'll upload it for you. Now, when you log into your account, you can see all the GIFs that you have, and you can download them from there. This is, like I said, a super easy way to stand out. It's a way to test to stand out using your Facebook ads so you can make them more effective. So what I did was, where was it? So you can hit the shareable links here, and then you can also see the stuff there. Copy links. Media. Here we go. Here's where you can download the file too. So you can just download the source, a social MP4, small, if there's any megabyte limits on where you're trying to put it. So that is how you make a GIF from start to finish. It took about 3 minutes. So now if GIFs aren't what you're really concerned with, but you need a strategy for Facebook ads that will help you attract more clients consistently, go to lawfirmmasterclass.com. Check out the free 20-minute training. It'll show you a strategy that works for any practice area that you can use right away to get more clients. I hope this helps you, and have a great day.